Hi, this is Scott Siskin. I'm the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When you need a mortgage, call First Republic Mortgage Bankers, 718-380-0006.
The lady said that Rajan is her hero. Wow. It's been a while since I've heard, someone being referred to as a hero. You gotta break out the cape, man.
I know. That's what I'm gonna do next time, and so we can see it on YouTube. I'm gonna have the cape and everything.
You gotta put on the cape, man.
And I'm gonna have a big R.
On cape.
I'm gonna have a big R in front.
A big R on your chest. A big R on the chest.
Exactly.
Gotta say much respect to that.
The
man.
funny thing is,
anyway,
I had a client that called in also while I was taking calls, and his name was James, and he called to let me know that he had referred someone else that was a lady to me also, and she was very pleased. And he was like, I think it's true. I think it's true what Squeeze was saying. That
what Squeeze?
And he said, you know what? They all seem to be nurses too.
But it's the truth. I'm not lying. I'm telling you.
You know what? I started thinking about it, and I'm like, okay, wait. I think there might be
Seems like there's some truth to this.
Exactly.
Yeah. By the way, folks, if you're just joining us at 35 minutes before the hour of 8 o'clock, before the Irie boys take over. By the way, folks, we did get the Irie TV box. We'll talk to you about that in a few. Bobby sent on the code. But got to say much respect. The box is great, man. Got to check it out, folks. But, if you're just joining us, folks, I'm speaking with Rajan, a loan officer from First Republic Mortgage Bankers. And, for over the past couple of hours, Rajan's been on the airwaves, off the airwaves, taking calls. And I said something on the airwaves where I said, it seems like a lot of females gravitate to speaking with this loan officer at First Republic Mortgage Bankers for some reason. No, there's no underlying, thing that you're thinking, folks. It's just that, and I said to the folks out there, I think it's how he speaks. I think it's how he comes across to the ladies out there. I think it's his patience, with people in general. And I think the fact that a lot of nurses know a lot about caring and realizing that Rajan has those traits, they reach out to him for help in refinancing or purchasing their homes. So after I said that, a lady by the name of Jennifer called up their airwaves and spoke passionately about this loan officer, Rajan. Now, folks, we all know that First Republic Mortgage Bankers is the leader in the industry, hence the reason why a lot of folks try to compete. But there's no comparison or competition. And the lady said that Rajan is her hero. The lady said that what are the three things that the lady said that you did for her, Rajan? With three refinancing.
Well, the first one.
The
first one, she was able to buy a car. She took out some money. She was able to get a car. The second one, she was able to buy a 4-family property. And then the third one, she was able to purchase her business.
Buy her business.
And actually,
which is Breeze's restaurant.
I completely forgot to even mention, we didn't even get to talk about now, she's actually looking to purchase the whole entire it's
block?
It's like a block almost with different stores. And now she's looking to acquire that. So that's another transaction that we're working on too that we've been talking about. So I've actually seen, she's just developed herself and she's used that equity that she had in the house, and she's just used it in such a positive way that, she doesn't really even work that much now because she's built so much around her that she has this income coming in and cash flow flowing that when she's ready to retire, she could just, stay home, maybe work a little bit at her restaurant, and that's it. But, and she said it's all due to the fact of her being able to refinance her home and the fact of what a home could do for someone when you own a home. I mean, it's amazing. So
it is beautiful, man. And getting true success stories and testimonies like that, it's always great, especially when they just hear us on the airwaves and decide to call. Mm-hmm. And if you're out there and you want to call, and we've been getting a lot of calls, give us a call. If you have used First Republic Mortgage Bankers, and of course, it has built your life just like it has with Jennifer's life, give us a call. Squeeze would like to hear from you. It just goes to show that what we've been professing here day in, day out about folks owning homes and refinancing their homes at the right time or when they need to, it goes to show how much they can build financial freedom, wealth building. So, folks, if you would like to speak with this loan officer who has helped thousands of individuals to acquire, I don't like saying a dream because acquire the reality. Yeah. Acquire a piece of this thing we call the United States of America. Why don't you give us a call right now in studios here. And the number, Rajan, for them to call us and speak with you, and one, buy a house, two, refinance. And even if they've had some credit problems, and even they can definitely use the FHA programs, or they can use other programs. What is the number they can reach you at right now?
They could definitely reach me at 718-325-5555.
Also, 718-324-LINK. That is 718-324-5465. That's 718-324-LINK or 718-325-5555. Before you grab the phone lines, which is blazing off the hook, what is the interest rate right now with the FHA program, Rajan?
Very good, actually. I'm taking a look at it right now. Well, we have a 30-year fixed mortgage at 5.75. That's the interest rate. And I'd like to just let everyone know the APR also. The APR is 6.57, and the cost per thousand borrowed is $5.84. Now, we talked a lot about FHA earlier. It's an excellent program. But, you know, I guess next time I'm going to have another success story I want to share also that, you know, yes, we talk a lot about FHA and full income loans like conventional and FHA. But I just want to reiterate that, you know, we also do have some programs, some no-doc programs that are still available also for not everybody that shows the money on the table. I mean, there's some people that, you know, they have their own business and things like that. We still do have programs. And that's the one thing that, you know, we keep stressing, we want to have people understand is that, yes, we talk about the benefits of FHA. Yes, there are a lot of benefits of FHA, but it doesn't mean, and conventional, but it doesn't mean that we're just, you know, just stuck into that one position. We're multifaceted. We have the FHA, we have conventional, we have Sony Mae, VA, we've got the no-doc programs. We've got reverse mortgages. Those of you that want to get some information, you're 62 years and older, and you want to find out how you can make your house work for you and get money coming in instead of you having to pay a mortgage, you can find out about that. But the most important thing is if you have a need, like just to give you an example, I had someone today that called up. Her and her husband, unfortunately, are getting a divorce, and they need to refinance, and they need to take some money out so that they can, you know, settle their divorce. You could do a refinance in that. And she actually had a 5.5%, and she's getting a rate, you know, 5.75. She's very happy with that. And she's taking the money out that she needs. But there's so many different, everybody has a different need. Everybody, some people might want to pay off credit cards. But the thing that we're trying to stress to everyone is that you could call us up. You could give me a call in the studio, explain to me what your need is, and we'll see what kind of program we could fit you into to meet your specific need, because everyone is different. So the way to find out how you could be helped is by calling 718-325-5555.
Wow. Folks, once again, his name is Rajan. He's a loan officer. And, of course, early on, I'm spurred by a caller who called up and said, Squeeze, you, Scott, and Rajan need to expand a little bit on the FHA program because people do not fully understand how powerful and helpful the FHA program can be. And we're extremely happy that we did that. Once again, folks, this is Link Up Radio 93.5 WVIP. We're going to play a track when we come back. Hopefully we can catch up with Mr. Getfield of People's Choice Furniture right here on Link Up Radio, another of our proud sponsor associating with Link Up Radio. But remember, call Rajan right now. He would like to show you how you can own your home and also refinance that property if need be. The number to call is 718-325-5555. That's 718-325-5555. This is Link Up Radio. It is now 18 minutes before the hour of 8. Let's go drop this and come back to Mr. Getfield right here on Link Up Radio 93.5 WVIP as First Republic Mortgage Bankers Rajan grabs the phone lines.
I make some time! Smoking up the airwaves with the hottest jams.
First Republic Mortgage Bankers is a licensed mortgage banker, direct lender in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Florida, Delaware, Maryland, Georgia, South Carolina, headquartered at 110 Jericho Turnpike, Floral Park, New York.